So now I'm gonna go home. Let's backtrack. So I ended up in the emergency room. Long story short, my body hates me. My intestines and my stomach lymph nodes are all angry and salty with me right now. I don't know what I did. Long story short, again, I'm in a lot of pain and I just feel so I've been trying to take it easy at home. No, I don't like that. I don't like taking it easy. I feel like I should be out doing something or up doing something and I can't, or I shouldn't be. And that leads me to this. I went to use the bathroom last night and my toilet was clogged. Wouldn't flush. The bowl would fill up, and so I'm thinking, okay, what do I do now? I feel like absolute crud and I have to fix my toilet at 2 a.m. because what else would I be doing? Oh, I could be sleeping. No, I was up trying to fix the toilet. I finally get that fixed this morning. I think, great. The rest of my day is amazing. I got the toilet fixed. Nothing to worry about. So that's when I went to Walmart. And I will tell you, that didn't go well. And I'll insert that clip here. I really thought that this morning, in my toilet not working, I would be like done for the day of things that could go wrong. No. No. I was in Walmart and I was gonna buy some sweet tea because it actually sounded good, and I've been sick, so I shouldn't have been out, but I was. And then I decided to get the sweet tea. Well, anyways, I went to pick up the sweet tea to scan it, and so I picked it up, and it was sweaty, and it fell out of my hands, hit the cart, hit the floor, and broke, and there was just tea everywhere. And that's the tea. So now I'm gonna go home. And I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving the house again. I'm just not. Because when I touch things, they break. I shouldn't touch my car. I don't want it to break. Now, I don't know what that was. Now you're all caught up on the circus that was my day. I can't decide if I want to try to do like a daily vlog or every other day or just go with the flow, trying to figure it out. So yeah, that was a little, my first real attempt at a daily vlog, I guess, or like just a regular vlog. I don't know what you call it. But I'm trying to figure this out. So bear with me while I get the editing part down and everything else. So yeah, hopefully you'll subscribe and follow along with. Let me finish that sentence. Hopefully you'll subscribe and follow along as I try to figure out this whole YouTube situation. And you never know what kind of crazy shenanigans I'll get into. So yeah, I'll see you on the flip side.